Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to attempt to polish this watch glass with toothpaste. Okay, I have no clue how this will work out because normally I use really cheap polishing paste which does the job really well, and I will link a video in the description where I actually polish a few watches and everything is well all the time. But this one doesn't have that deep scratches on it. It's almost usable, but it's just not shiny enough. It's a bit annoying. So I decided to try a solution that is available to everybody. So let's see how it gets. Normally what you want to do now is protect the watch a little bit, because if you try to polish it now it will just move around on its bracelet and it will scratch underneath. So you can either use some, I don't know, toilet paper or whatever, or another piece of cloth, just like this. I think I will actually even close this latch. Probably it's better like this. Yeah, it is better like this. And now we are sort of good to go. Although I don't really like it. Now I think we are good to go, yes. Obviously you need another piece of cloth and just a tiny bit of this. And let's see how it actually does work. Again, I have absolutely no clue. So I will do this in high speed, obviously, because it will probably take a while. Okay, so polished this thing, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, something like that, probably more like 5 than 10. So let's use some furniture wipes and clean it a little bit and see if it actually helped. Again, I have no clue how good of a job this could have done, or if it even works. If it doesn't work, well, at least during the day, if you feel like you have bad breath or something, you can lick the watch. So it's still helpful. Well, it seems to be looking good actually, which is a bit surprising. But if this actually works out good, I'm just thinking about how much of the layers on our teeth we are actually removing every single day when we are brushing them. That's not really good. I was kind of hoping this not to be that abrasive. Let's use something dry now. Yeah, this thing actually did polish it. It's not 100% perfect, but it is way better than what it was. I just need to do a little bit more work on the edges, but yeah, I was actually not really expecting this to work this good. Obviously, if you are in this situation, make sure you do not overdo it and remove the chrome from your watch. If you have a stainless steel watch, then no problems for you, but if your watch is chromed, make sure you do not remove it, or if it's gold plated or silver plated or stuff like that. Yeah, weirdly enough, this actually does work, and rather well. So I will tinker a bit only with the edges, and then we will end this video if everything goes well up until the end. Ta-da! This thing has done the job. So you can actually polish plastic. This is plastic, not glass. If you need to polish glass, you need to have a really different compound to be able to polish it. So I'm 99% sure this toothpaste will not work, but if you need to polish plastic, yeah, it does seem to work. And if you have deeper scratches, you need to use really fine sandpaper before using the toothpaste. I have that in my video that I will link in the description, and you can see it. But this watch, this is polished, so everything that you see at this point, it's not because of the top of this plastic, it's because of what is underneath. I'm not really sure what angle to give you so you can actually see. This is gonna be difficult. Hopefully here you can actually realize there are some tiny scratches at the top in this corner, but a lot of them are underneath the plastic, so they are on the other side. How this thing got scratches on the other side, don't ask me, I have no idea. I bought it like this. So yeah, it has done the job and it is actually usable. But if I want to make this watch 100%, I need to open it up and also do it on the underside. And I'm not going to do that at this point because it's a little bit late. This isn't the real time. I just started so you can see it's running. Don't take this for good. It's not this, it's somewhere around here. Anyway, yeah, usable. I will not finish this watch because I don't want to open it now. And that's about it. If you don't have a polishing paste, compound, whatever, you can actually use toothpaste, a little bit more elbow grease. Obviously the type of toothpaste clearly matters. The one that I had, I think it's a little bit on the more abrasive side than standard toothpaste, but yeah, it is doable. So hopefully you found this video useful, in which case please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and see you in the next one. Bye!